Hello everyone, welcome to another day of Building Public for Nextdoor Automation. Today we're going to review a specific case of a profile that is trying to get prospects on Nextdoor, and I guess he might get some, but he could drastically improve his coverage and performance if he implemented a proper strategy. So he's making the effort to post, but he's lacking the strategy to have the best results. So my name is Eric. I do automation for on Nextdoor for my customers. Here right now I'm connected to one of my customers' account, and I helped him grow through automation a group located in France, in Paris, and there are, as of today, more than 7,668 members. Not all of them very active, but anyway, people come and go, connect once in a while. That's the purpose of social media. And the biggest advantage, as you might know, if not I'll let you know, Nextdoor is a very localized social media, meaning when my customer posts in this group, which I tasked him to create, he's having 99% coverage of his post seen by the surrounding neighborhoods within Paris and around Paris. So that's the biggest advantage compared today to other social media, where if you want to have localized post vision by potential prospects, you have to pay. Here on Nextdoor, by default, all your posts are seen by your neighborhood members. Also, the advantage of posting in a group like this is when people get interested in your content, they tend to join your group. That's a way to validate the interest of these people, potential prospects, to your group. So in that case, my customer is having an event, exhibition, sports event, cultural events, and so on. So when people join, he sends them an automated DM to welcome them and send them a promotional gift and ask them to join a newsletter. That's a way to transform cold prospects into warm prospects. So this is a way to create your local online Nextdoor conversion funnel. A lot of people don't do it, and we're going to review now the case of one of the members of that group who is also doing something wrong, and I'm going to reveal you right now what is wrong with that one, with his behavior. So first, let's see his post that was yesterday. So Boris has posted something with only one word text saying hello, and then is copy pasting media files like pictures and videos, which are actually pretty good, some of them, but he's first out of topic because he's posting his activity in a group that has nothing to do with car detailing. That's number one. And then he's pasting too many informations at once, and yeah, there's no call for action, there's no introduction, just a hello and slap that content in your face. So that's the two biggest mistakes. Posting in the wrong group, and we'll see later on his profile why he's doing that. And yeah, he's basically behaving like an ad agency would do, hoping to get prospects, and people just get annoyed with this type of behavior. So let's have a look on his profile. So that's his profile. At least he made a good effort in configuring his profile properly. He has a nice banner where he chose to show his his rates. So if I only analyze his banner, he is only suggesting by this picture that is only a couch cleaner. So depending on the size of your couch, they have different prices. It's a good choice, why not? And he has a profile picture, which is good. We see who he is. He has his real name. He has a nice introduction, a bio explaining who he is, what he does, how to contact him. So that's pretty good. Could be improved, of course, but that he has covered the basic into his personal profile. Now we can see he is a member of several groups. That's the group of my customer, where he's basically sharing good deals, free deals, and what to do, and among friends. And it's located or geolocalized in Paris. So we see his post with too many information. So already my comment on that one is, first, you don't say hello and you paste your comment. If he had posted in a appropriate group, first, if he had followed my instructions, he would have created his own group. So carpet cleaner or couch cleaner, or I'm cleaning everything in your home for Paris or Paris cleaners or Paris couch cleaners. Then and he would have posted this in his group. When you're posting in your group, everyone sees it anyway, so there's no point to post in other groups that have nothing to do with that activity. So create your group, make a thematized group, and post your content here. And there's no point to post that many information in one post when you have so much, and these are actually quite good video files. I would spread them over time. Why post everything at once for so many things? People get lost. You have to create one. My advice at least is to create one post, one publication with a different media file each time. So apparently he's doing couch cleaning, power washing. He's doing so many activities. So it's a question to ask you, whether you want to be seen as a specialist of carpet cleaner or carpet cleaning, or couch or sofa cleaning, or car detailing. Now he's offering some washing powder or washing material. That's why not, but that could be also a separate post. And also he should be posting this one in the for sale and free section. So basically here he's giving again his rates, but they are not so easy to be seen. Hopefully on mobile they are easy to read. You should be making them much. He could divide this post into already 3 different publications, where you say I'm cleaning carpet, I'm cleaning mattresses, and I'm cleaning sofas, and maybe another 2 more with these graphics. Here is another advertisement for a 5-liter soap barrel of cleaning material. Here is another publication you could do, and here is about car detailing. Yeah, so he's being kind of, I would not say lazy, but not organized, because he could spread all this information over time. So let's say he has maybe 10 different messages he could spread over 10 different weeks. Remember the rule of thumb: make a post every day, but within your 7 or 5 posts a week, you should be only posting once of this advertisement or commercial publication for your business. People get tired to be slammed this advertisement in your face, so do it once in a week at most. The rest of the time you could make some information post about advice on how to clean your car interior and why you should not use soap to clean the driving wheel, and you should use another material, or how many times should you apply this power washing material, and so on. So he should know that he could share some tips each and every day and comment and share some posts like 5 unknown tips that will extend your car interior lifespan with only 5 minutes a month activity. This type of post. So now let's have a look at the regularity. So definitely he has not created a group where he would become the sofa cleaning specialist or car detailing specialist. That's mistake number 1 or 3. I lost count. Then he posted 2 days ago again hello, and reposting one of his own posts. That's so annoying. People will not react to that. 2 days ago he posted again the same post that he did in my customers group. And then, so we are beginning of August, then we jumped like end of May. So he was silent and he did not post anything for the whole month of July, June and July. So 2 full months plus a few days, no presence on Nextdoor. So he basically wasted 60 days of saying nothing and suddenly slamming all his content in people's face. So that's unfortunately not the way to go, at least not the one I'm teaching. Here apparently is also cleaning windows, so that's another activity he could be sharing posts about. So he looks like a cool dude, but is not mastering Nextdoor strategies. Now we see that he has a presence in other social media like Facebook, TikTok. Let's just have a look on Facebook. So that would be his profile, and yeah, he has some other posts. That was, yeah. So his Facebook is also abandoned. So the last publication was March. He posted 3 different stuff in one day, and yeah, so 3 months later, nothing. So regularity, social media is all about regularity and good strategy on where to post, when to post, and what to post. So if you found this video interesting or have any question, leave it a like, comment below. And I remind you that we are specialized in automation, and to help you get this regularity on posting on Nextdoor and also Facebook. So if you want to, if you like also ideas of what to post, we can help you, and that's how you get good visibility on Nextdoor on a regular basis and get your conversion funnel, your lead funnel active at all time, and get prospects, leads, and customers in your business on a weekly basis. So do not hesitate to join this channel for more educational info like this one, and I'll see you some other day, tomorrow hopefully, if I keep this good rate of publishing, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.